Good day. Welcome to King Williams Everything. Today we're going to look at something fun and exciting that I hidden for a long time. Actually, I haven't played this in a long time, but I found it. You might enjoy it. If you like Star Trek. This is Star Trek for the Commodore 64 home computer, and it's by Sega. This was from 1983, I believe. I remember getting this. I think I got this for maybe Christmas or something. So this is mine. And it's for the Commodore 64. So what we're going to do, we're going to play just a couple minutes of this so we can get some flashbacks and see if it lives up to what I believe it used to be. I don't remember. I think this was kind of based on the arcade game that was in the arcade, but not quite as good. So let's take a look at it, and we'll see if she lives up to my memories, and do a minute or two of gameplay, and we'll be right back. So there you have it. Star Trek on the Commodore 64 cartridge. Was it like what I remember? Kinda. It's basically pretty simple. Like just basically the same as the arcade. Kinda close, sorta. Not really. But, you get the idea. Fly around, shoot the Klingons, shoot that ship thingy, and save the bases. And that's what you do the whole thing, and just kind of repeats over and over. I imagine that maybe when you get higher up, there's some different levels. I don't know. You saw my skill level for have not played this in, I don't know, a lot of years. But I can't remember these. It was kind of cool. The Commodore 64 was, the early 80s. The disk drive The 5 1/4 disk drive was about the same price as the computer, so a lot of people, they got the tape drives, or they got some cartridges. And there were quite a few cartridges came out. I think in its later years there were very, very few cartridges being made, but it's kind of nice that you could still do that. It's kind of the going on the Atari 2600 thing where you can just plug your cartridge in. And a lot of the other computers like TRS-80s and that stuff of the day still had cartridges, but these were a nice size, and I really liked that. The fact that it's a circuit board, you plug it in, versus a floppy disk that could be damaged, so you kind of had that option, and you could share it with your friends, and obviously it held up because you can see the sticker still stuck on it, still in pretty good shape, and it functions. So anyway, that was kind of a little blast from the past. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.